exactly do cyber security do? My dear friends, if you are getting any doubts, please ask me whenever you are not understanding any terminology or jargon of
Sir,
related
everything
to,
is fine, sir.
yeah.
Fine, sir. Smoothly it is going.
Yeah, cybersecurity analysts protect organizational infrastructure such as computer networks and hardware devices, data centers, firewalls, cyber from cyber criminals and hackers seeking to cause damage or steal sensitive information. So, what exactly do cyber security? We are protecting our sensitive data. Example, Aadhaar card data, that is sensitive data, because so there you can see the personal information like our date of birth, our mobile number, our home address, our hobbies, everything sensitive information we are keeping in the system, server or data center. That's why security means you need to be concentrate on CIA. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Why is the CIA Triad so important? It is an organization, so they are checking every time confidentiality, integrity, availability. Cyber attackers or cyber criminals or data thefts and breaches are becoming increasingly common nowadays. So remember, the Facebook or Cambridge Analytical scandal happened recently. And these are the elements of cyber security. I have explained already: application security, information security, network security, disaster recovery planning, and operational security and user security. So, so this is four more terminology related to cyber. You need to know it, like intelligence, security, technology. What is meant by technology? Technology means application of science. Intelligence means intelligent behavior in a mission by applying rules and regulations. And if you see the right information to the right people at the right time. Cyber data applies best practices and business intelligence to cyber in cyber security, intelligence, training, and technology. That is called a SITT. Then cyber data's SITT service and best practices. It improves the analysis, protection, intelligence, defense, application, and training of your cyber needs. So, if you see, cybersecurity is also known as information technology security or electronic information security. I have explained network security and application security, information security, and operational security includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data sets. That is called operational security. If you see, there are 5 reasons why cyber criminals attack. The first one is disgruntled employees. That means read, write, web claim that employees, not hackers, are the biggest threat to security. Then publicity. Some hackers, whether they are individuals or members of group, will target big branded websites knowing that they will cause huge amounts of publicity if they can get away with it. However, cyber criminals look for a weakness within a target's people, system, or network and then exact and then transmit the data to other hackers. Example, Jamtara. Jamtara is a place in Bihar and Jharkhand. So the people are checking who are weak in network and computer or mobile usage. They are targeting that people. Revenge. This is linked closely to the first point of discontinued employees. Freedom. Hackers will cults such as Anonymous claim that they fight for freedom and that all the work they do is to stop people controlling them. These are the 5 reasons why cyber criminals attacks and reasons for committing cyber crimes. Example, see here: financial gain 16%, curiosity 12%, revenge 10%, personal benefit 7%, excitement 6%, And the mechanisms used, social engineering means social networks 21%, laptops 18%, remote access 17%, email bombing or malware and email, okay, so 17%, mobile device 16%.